Greetings of the day. My name is Prachi Deshwal. Today I am here to talk to you about online classes. Online classes are the classes where students study and learn online. With the help of online classes, students can learn and study anytime and anywhere. Online classes are conducted as schools and colleges are closed due to COVID-19 pandemic. Due to COVID-19 pandemic, schools and colleges over the globe have been closed. With the help of online classes, students learn effectively and communicate with the teachers and can ask the queries from the teachers. Different digital platforms are being used to conduct online classes like Microsoft Teams, Google Meet, Zoom, etc. With the help of these platforms, teachers generally deliver their presentation, share the content, videos, files, PDFs, and so many content which is beneficial for the knowledge of the student. With the help of online classes have to be proven very interactive between the students and the teachers. Now I'm going to list some advantages and disadvantages of online classes. The major advantage of online classes are very effective and convenient because the student can record the lecture and can access that lecture after the class. They have the access to the learning material at the time of their comfort. Cost of education is also reduced. Online classes make the student very flexible. In online classes, students face less distraction because in the classroom, there are some students who are notorious who might prevent you to focus on what your teacher has been teaching in the class. This can be prevented by online classes. As everything has its pros and cons, online classes do some disadvantages. The major challenge or disadvantage which nowadays students face is the struggle of inability to focus on a screen for a longer period of time. It is difficult for the student to sit on the chair and concentrate on the study because they develop so many health related issues like stiffness in neck, stiffness in back and neck related issues. One of the major disadvantage or drawback of online classes is that network connectivity is very poor in some areas. Due to that, students are unable to connect with the teachers and they do not have the ability to connect with teachers because of improper network connectivity. There is no social development of a student. The student lack in this area, and the student can get easily distracted by the social media while he or she is sitting at home. These all are the advantages and disadvantages of online classes. Thank you.